Welcome. I'm glad you're here. This short session is designed to help you relax, release tension, and bring your body and mind into balance. Today we will explore a simple but very effective breathing technique called the 4-7-8 breathing. Before we start, let's talk about why this works. When life feels overwhelming, our nervous system often goes into overdrive. Our hearts beat faster, our thoughts race, and our breath becomes shallow. The 4-7-8 breath is a tool to gently signal to your body it is okay to slow down. You are safe. Here is how it works. We inhale for 4 counts, drawing in fresh air, oxygen, and energy. We hold the breath for 7 counts, giving the body a moment to absorb and integrate the breath, to stabilize both body and mind. And we exhale for 8 counts, releasing tension, stress, and mental clutter. Notice that the exhale is slightly longer than the inhale. This naturally activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body that helps you rest, digest, and repair. Modern research shows that extending the exhale lowers stress hormone levels, calms the heart, and slows down racing thoughts. In yogic tradition, the breath is how we absorb prana or life force. By holding the breath gently, you allow the body to absorb this energy, creating a sense of groundedness and inner calm and vitality. Slower breathing combined with conscious pauses can even improve focus, emotional regulation, and long-term health. So this is more than just relaxation. It is a small daily practice to train your body and mind to respond with calm, no matter what is happening around you. So let's get comfortable. You can sit cross-legged on the floor or in a chair with your feet firmly on the ground. Lift your chest slightly and lengthen your spine. Soften your shoulders and let your hands rest gently on your legs. If it feels good, you can use the Jnana mudra, touching your thumb and index finger as a gentle anchor for your awareness. Now close your eyes softly. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. Again, inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth, letting your body sink a little deeper into comfort. One more time. Inhale peace and exhale release. Notice how it feels just to arrive here, fully present in your body. Now let's observe the natural rhythm of your breath. You might notice it is fast, shallow, uneven. That is okay. Just observe it for now without judgment. Feel the rise and fall of your belly, the gentle movement of your chest. Notice how every inhale brings in energy and every exhale releases a little bit of the tension you're carrying. This is your foundation. Once your breath feels slightly steady, we can begin the 4-7-8 pattern. I'll tell you again how it works, and we will start slowly, inhaling quietly through the nose for 4 counts. Hold the breath gently for 7 counts, and exhale completely through your mouth for 8 counts. So let's do the first rounds together. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue at your own pace. Remember, there is no need to rush or force the breath. If 7 or 8 counts feel too long at first, you can count a little faster or shorten the counts. The goal is smoothness, not strain. Keep continuing the pattern at your own pace. As you continue the pattern, notice the pause after the inhale. This is where your body absorbs energy and your mind becomes steady. Notice the exhale, how it really naturally relaxes your muscles, slows your heartbeat and clears mental tension. Each round helps to train the mind to pause and respond instead of react. It interrupts overthinking and racing thoughts. The counting anchors your awareness. Let's do a few more rounds together. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now gently release the pattern and let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Notice how your body feels. Take a moment to sense into your chest, your belly, your shoulders. You might feel a subtle hum of calm energy. That is your nervous system rebalancing. If you like, place a hand on your heart and one on your belly. And feel the breath moving naturally, steady and kind. This is your life energy, prana, flowing smoothly through you. Let's take 3 slow and gentle breaths to close. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale and exhale. One last inhale and exhale fully. This simple 4-7-8 pattern is something you can return to anytime, before sleep, during moments of stress, or whenever you feel your mind being overwhelmed. That is a small and reliable tool for calming the nervous system, centering attention, and restoring balance. Remember that each breath is a signal to your body and mind that it is safe to pause, soften, and be present. Know that your body has the capacity to return to balance, no matter what arises, and that each time you practice, you train yourself to respond with peace and clarity. You are breathing life, gently and steadily, one moment at a time. Thank you.